Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. There's a vehicle here claiming to be new. It's the Sienna 396. It has an exclusive layout. That's what it says up there. I don't know. I'm just repeating what it says. Here we will find that this costs nearly 70,000 euros, 740 centimeters in length and 232 in width. Let's have a look at this exclusive layout. Is that exclusive? Well, I don't want to start being funny about things, but don't really see anything terribly exclusive about that. Maybe it's me. Maybe there's something at the back which is more exclusive than this. Is that exclusive? Moment. Hey! I found something here at the back now. This is a bit unusual. Yeah, well, I wouldn't say exclusive. Unusual might be the word I would have chosen. You've got bunk beds at the back with a large table place to sit. I suppose you can put the kids in here. I think that is the purpose of that. Very deep storage. We've also got this thing here, which is the toilet there, and the shower's over the other side, so you have to put the light on here. But you can see it anyway. You've got two drainage points then. This, unfortunately, the small ones, there would be a shower head on normally, and you've got a thing to dry your socks on. Good, let's come to the front. We've got a step here, and we've got here two burners. It comes with all the stuff around here that just to be moved to stop me stealing it, I think. And in here we've got a nice size sink with a proper drainage point there. Okay, storage, shelf, 230 light switches. What have I just turned off? Oh yeah. And right, this is a drop down bed. I can't drop it down for you because I don't have the key, and I'd be a bit frightened it wouldn't work anyway. But hey, just a minute, I'm just going to check. Can we, maybe I don't need the key. I do need the key. Sorry, right, anyway. So this bed will drop down, and it'll drop down over this rather large lounge here. Mind you, it does look a bit 1971 in here. I'll have to say, these things here. You can make a bed down here as well. In fact, this is Sleep 6. Let's open this table up. Enormous table. That is really good. You have a game of football on that. In fact, probably play cricket on that table. But these, they're not very comfortable to sit on. This is the problem with using the seats to make beds with. It's either a bed or it's a seat, but they're in different positions for both, and they either have to be really long, like this thing here is. You get no support from that. I need to point out, if I think I would get support, but that's because I don't sit as normal people do. With my legs on, hanging down, I sit cross-legged in a Southeast Asian fashion, and so and I do that for my back. So it wouldn't bother me. Let's have a look in the fridge. It's a Thetford one. Again, you get all the bits to it. It's just that they removed them. They found what I was here, and I thought I might be selling them off to my favourite subscribers. Actually, I had a really awful thing happen to me with my subscribers. Sorry, I've messed the joke up. I'm going to have to crack it in another video. Sorry, I'm going to have to crack this joke in another video. I got a laughing at when I said it yesterday. Well, once I thought about it anyway, or maybe they were just being polite. Good. Let's go outside. Right, toilet cassette. Does this door open? Well, right, as you can see, you can remove the bed if you want. It comes out, and that will give you a big garage. That table also will come out. You need to remove the bed above as well, so that would give you a really big garage. Now, I didn't notice any way of closing this off. There may be a board somewhere to do it with. I haven't seen it. Let's now come to the back. Oh, it's got a window there, so you can sleep in the bed there. You can look out the window. And in here we'll find we've got, that's locked, never mind. So there you go, that's an exclusive layout, which is new. Well, I'll tell you what, if that is an exclusive layout, that is indeed new. Okay, Sienna 396, sorry, it's an Italian speaking, I'm saying as though Italian. Sienna 396 from Giotti Line. Thanks for watching, bye for now.